I'm Nickey Raines. I'm the manager for Rocket Lab's facility here at Stennis Space Center. We just installed the Archimedes engine for the first time on the test facility. So we've got engine system integration. There's piping, valving, wiring going on. That's being worked real time with software. Back in our control room, the human-machine interface HMI that we use to control things. Those things are in the final preps and final checkouts. We're ready now to push the engine through final commissioning and ready for hot fire. Rocket Lab came into NASA Stennis with the lease for the A3 stand. It was a historic stand built for the Constellation program in the late 2000s. We've been able to utilize hardware. We've taken tanks, we've taken valves, existing piping, whole existing systems for gaseous nitrogen, and be able to repurpose those systems and put them to work for what we need. It lets us go faster, it lets us save money, and it lets us get that initial operational capability Archimedes needs. It's great for Rocket Lab as a commercial company to be partnered here with NASA. We get to use this facility, so we're taking advantage of the existing hardware and being able to repurpose parts of the stand, but we also have a community of support around us. There's contractors here who know how to build rocket test stands, welding, piping, major big concrete and steel structures. There's people who know how to make rocket operations work. So we got that community of people here to support us, and it's a great place to be for a commercial company to be in the middle of this with all that support and the ability to run our operation. My sincere appreciation for the team that we have here at Stennis, the team globally with Rocket Lab. We've had support from New Zealand and Long Beach and from Wallop. So they've come together here. We put a ton of work in here in the last year, and to see it all come together should be exciting for all of us. The team deserves a huge congratulations from everybody involved that have gotten us this far.